Welcome to Model Behavior. This program examines how AI systems are built, deployed, and operated in real professional environments. Joining us today is a guest who brings a systems-level perspective on AI and automation, blending technical depth with engineering insight. It is great to have you here.
We start today with a significant shift in the financial landscape surrounding artificial intelligence. A new analysis from Axios shows that the 8 largest tech companies with AI ambitions now represent nearly half of the S&P 500. To fuel this growth, tech firms are projected to issue over $1 trillion in debt this year alone, with hyperscalers spending up to $700 billion from their balance sheets.
It is a massive concentration of risk, Thatcher. The market has moved past questioning if AI works to questioning if the monetization can justify these capital inflows. When half of all venture capital dollars are flowing into a single sector, the entire economy is essentially betting on the successful deployment of these systems.
Speaking of deployment, Alibaba recently released Qwen 3.5, a model that signals a new phase in open weight efficiency. Thatcher, the parameter count here is massive, but the active weights tell a different story.
Nina, Qwen 3.5 has 397 billion total parameters, but only 17 billion are active during any forward pass. This allows it to compete with frontier closed models like GPT 5.2 and Claude 4.5 while remaining significantly more efficient to run. It's natively multimodal and specifically designed for agentic tasks, which aligns with the broader industry move toward autonomous workflows.
That trend is being reinforced elsewhere too. OpenAI just hired the creator of the OpenClaw framework. This suggests OpenAI is pivoting toward a multi-agent future where specialized tools interact, rather than just relying on a single chat interface. We are also seeing Meta integrate AI into its ads manager to automate data analysis, showing that agents are no longer theoretical, they are becoming standard features in business software.
The scale of this adoption is particularly evident in India right now. At the India AI Impact Summit in New Delhi, OpenAI announced that India has over 100 million weekly active ChatGPT users, making it their second largest market. Anthropic also opened a new office in Bengaluru this week, reporting that the revenue run rate in India has doubled in just 4 months.
The enterprise numbers are even more striking, Nina. Cognizant is deploying Gemini and Claude to its 350,000 global employees to modernize legacy systems. They are effectively becoming a massive testing ground for agentic reliability before they package these same services for their own corporate clients.
However, that rapid expansion is hitting friction at the government level. Reports indicate the Defense Secretary is considering designating Anthropic as a supply chain risk. This stems from their refusal to remove safeguards for military use. While competitors like OpenAI and xAI have reportedly agreed to allow use for all lawful purposes, Anthropic is maintaining restrictions, which could lock them out of Pentagon contracts.
That tension between safety and utility is also appearing in consumer hardware. Meta is planning to add facial recognition to its smart glasses by the end of the year under a feature called Name Tag. While Meta says it won't be a universal lookup tool, using social media profile data for real-time identification is already raising significant privacy concerns.
Absolutely. It highlights the recurring theme of 2026. The technology is scaling faster than the governance frameworks can adapt. Whether it is $1 quadrillion in debt or 100 million users in a single country, the sheer volume of these deployments is forcing a high-stakes reckoning for the industry.
Thank you for listening to Model Behavior.
Thank you for listening to Model Behavior, a Neural Newscast editorial segment. For more technical analysis, visit mb.neuralnewscast.com. Neural Newscast is AI-assisted, human-reviewed. View our AI transparency policy at neuralnewscast.com.